In this video, we are going to make our first blog using HTML, and we will use all the tags that we have learned in previous tutorials. In here, we are going to have a head, a main section, and we are going to have two articles. So let's see how we can build this. So let's start. First of all, we are going to create our doc type. So let's write here doc type HTML. Then after that, we are going to open our HTML tag and close this. Then after this, we are going to write our head, and inside our head, we are going to write our title. So let's say title, and in here, let's call this blog page. Now let's save this, refresh. Okay, our title has been changed. Now let's go and add our body. So in the body, first thing that we want is the header. So we will create a header. Then inside this header, we are going to write an h1 tag with the text of my blog. Then after the head, we are going to open our main section. So in the main, let's create an article. So let's type article and let's save this. Okay, my blog is here. Now inside our article, let's create an h2 tag and write post title 1. Let's save. It's here. Now let's create a paragraph with the using p tag. Then inside the paragraph, I will type published on the date 2024 12 and 26 and the name of author. So by author, save. Okay, it's also showing. Now let's create another paragraph, and inside here let's type some articles. So for example, this is the content of the first blog post. Save. Okay, it's here. Now let's create one more article. So let's article, and inside this again h2 tag and post title 2. Then again p tag published on 2025 01 25. Now let's type the content of this. So let's type this is the content of the second blog post. Okay, so our content is ready. Now it's time to add some styles to make it look better. Let's go to the head section again, and in here let's open a style tag. Then inside the style tag, we will create a style for our header. So let's say header, and inside our header, we will type background color should be hash 333. Save. Okay, it's changed. Now let's change the text color as well. So let's type color, and the color should be white. Then after that, we will say the text also should be in the center. So we will say text align center. And finally, padding to 20 pixels. Save. Okay, our head section is done. Now let's add a style for our articles. So let's type here article, and for article we are going to use a border. So let's add a border of 1 pixel solid and give it my color of DDD. Save. Okay. Now let's give them a margin as well. So we will say the margin should be 20 pixels, and finally a padding of 20 pixels as well. Save. Okay, our articles are also set. So now let's give this p tags also as style. So I just want to give this dates and published articles style, not this p. So let's give this to a class. So let's scroll, and this one, let's give them a class of meta, and this one as well. So class of meta. Now let's go up and let's type dot meta, and for the meta class we are going to use the font size of 14 pixels and color gray. So let's type color should be gray. Okay, now let's save. Now as you guys can see, our blog is ready. Okay, our head with the colors and in the center and our article. So this is it for this video. See you guys in the next video where we create another project.